Hello students, good morning. In our previous lecture, we have started a topic distance formula. We have also discussed objective of related topic. The objective of related topic is how to find distance when 2 points are given. This topic we have done in our previous lecture. There we learn that how to find out the distance when 2 points are given. Now, the next objective of this topic is how to find out distance when 1 point and origin is given. Today's lecture, we will learn when 1 point and origin is given, then how to find out the distance between these 2 points. So, our today's topic is distance of a point from origin. Now, before starting this topic, let's recall a previous lecture topic there. In our previous lecture, we have already discussed about axes. How many axes are there? There are 2 types of axes, x-axis and y-axis. 4 quadrants are there. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Point lies in any one of these quadrants are represented as x, y. First digit is represented for x and the second digit is represented for the y. When these 2 axes intersect at a point O there, O is called the origin. We have done this in previous lectures. If we want to find out the distance between 2 given points, first point A, second point B, if we find out the distance between these 2 points, which formula we will apply there? We apply the distance formula. Now, according to this, A point and B point are having x1, y1 value, x2, y2 value. We put these values in distance formula and we can find out the distance between A, B. So what is the distance formula there? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Now, we have discussed that when 2 axes are intersected, it intersect at a point which is called the origin. Therefore, origin is the intersected point of 2 axes. Or you can say that O is the starting point for x, x dash, y and y dash. So what are the point for origin? We have already discussed in our previous lecture also there. Point of origin, because of the starting point of origin is 0, 0. As 0 is there, so we should know the concept of 0 for addition and subtraction. When we add or subtract any number with 0, answer is same as number. Now, to understand this topic, concept of 0, we will take some example. If I am taking a number 3 and we add 0 there, then answer is number itself. If I am taking again number 3 and we subtract 0, again the answer is same number there. Let us take, I am taking a number minus 3. If I am taking minus 3, we add 0, same number is there. Minus 3, subtract 0, same number is there. Now the type of questions, generally we find out according to the point and origin. Question is, find the distance of point A from origin. Now, from means second minus first. Origin, it also indicate you something that what is the point of origin there? Point of origin is 0, 0. Again distance word is there. Yesterday we have done this topic also that whenever distance word is there, it means we have to apply the distance formula, point and distance word. So first of all, in solution, we will apply distance formula. Distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. According to from origin O, we will write down the point of origin. What is the point of origin? Is 0, 0. We will write down the given point. Point A is 3, 2. We write down that point also there. Now, first point is for x1 and y1 and the second point is for x2 and y2. Now, we will write down OA, the distance of point O and A. Distance from origin to given point. It represented as OA. We also represented it in this symbol because this symbol gives always the positive result. This symbol is known as the modulus value, absolute value, because distance is always in positive, so that we always represent this topic by this symbol. OA is equal to 3 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, 3 minus 0, number itself 3. 2 minus 0, number itself 2 whole square. 3 square 9, 4 square 2 square 4. Now 9 plus 4 is 13. Under root 13 unit is the answer of OA. Now we will take another example to understand this topic. The second example I am taking here. Find distance of point P. Now P point is given to you minus 4, 3 from origin. Again from origin word is there. Origin is a point 0, 0. From means second minus first. Clear? From point this one. Distance word is also there. That means we will use the distance formula. D is there. Distance is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. O is for the point of origin 0, 0. P minus 4, 3. First point represent as x1, y1. Second point represented as x2, y2. Write down the points 0, 0, x1, y1 minus 4, 3, x2, y2. Now, OP with the modulus sign. Distance from origin to point P is equal to under root of x2 minus 4 minus 0 whole square 3 minus 0 whole square. Now minus 4 minus 0, number itself is minus 4 whole square. 3 square, number itself 3 square. Now when we square a negative number, it always gives the positive result. When we square a negative number, it always gives the positive result. So 4 square is equal to minus 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25, we can do the prime factor of 25. 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Having one pair is there. Under root of 5 into 5 is equal to 5 units. The distance between O and P is 5 units. Now let's recall what we have done related to the topic till now. We have done in our previous lecture when 2 points are there, how to find out the distance. And we have also learned a new formula that is called the distance formula. We have also learned where its formula will be applicable. This formula is applicable when points are given and we have to find out the distance. Yesterday we have done how to find out distance when 2 points are given. Today in our lecture we have done when 1 point and origin is given. Now origin is also having some point 0, 0. In all these cases we have learned that only how to find out the distance between the points. Now students, you will receive one worksheet related to this topic. I hope you will do. Thank you.